Hello, it is Miss Jackson here,
And Miss Burden.
and we are going to teach you how to make some mud fairy cakes at home.
For this, you will need 1 bowl,
6 fairy cake cases,
1 wooden spoon,
5 scoops of mud.
and 5 scoops of sand,
You will also need 5 stones,
10 leaves,
and not forgetting half a cup of water. First, what we are going to do is we are going to tip the mud into the bowl. We are then going to add the sand, add the water slowly, and mix. Be careful not to waste any.
Next, you need to add your 5 stones. Make sure you mix them in well. And then gently tip in your leaves.
If it's a windy day, you might need to be careful with them.
Then give it a really gentle mix, but be careful not to break the leaves.
Now all of your ingredients have been added, you need to put them into the fairy cake cases. So let's get them all laid out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now, scoop the mixture into your cupcake cases.
And there you have it, 6 mud fairy cakes. Thanks for watching.
Bye!